Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can check if your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is real or not. And for that you will have several ways for. The first one is here with the dialer. So just dial here *#06#. So now you will see the IMEI numbers here, and the phone is having two because you can insert two SIM cards. Okay, and these IMEI numbers you can check first here on the box. Both IMEI numbers are written here. If you have still doubts, because the fake manufacturers, they're clever, they know already how to fake this one here, but there's something what is really difficult for them to fake, and this is on the back. First of all, we are having here a sticker, which one shows us as well the IMEI numbers, but below here, directly on the phone, we will have here the written word Samsung, then we will have the address of Samsung, and below we will have the first email number as well. And I haven't seen a phone yet, a fake one, which one is having it. So it seems to be very difficult for the fake manufacturers to fake this one here. So if you have email number here written, and if it's the same like on the box, you can be pretty sure that your phone is real. And there's a second way to verify the phone, and for that we will need the settings. So just scroll down here, tap here on the SIM before the settings. Then you need to go to the point about phone. And here you will have the model name and the serial number. And these both things you can compare again here at the box. Here you are having the model number and the serial number you're having here. If it's the same, you can be sure as well that your phone is real. And if you want to be 100% sure, if you have still doubts, just check a test center. For that, we will need the dialer again, and dial now *#0*#. And then you're here at the test center, and you can check some stuff for your phone. There's a test center if your phone is damaged and so on. Samsung experts can check if everything is okay and so on. If you want to get out later of it, just tap here, also double tap here on the back button, and you're back at the regular mode. I hope that your phone is real, that I could verify it with you. If not, go back to the dealer where you have bought it, and I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. And as I've said, I really hope that your phone is real. And if you still having some interests in some more videos of me, I've shown some tips and tricks and so on as well for the phone, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.